Paano po kayo nakalabas ng Pilipinas?
Sa Manila po, airport.
Sa airport. Hindi nyo kasabay si Alice, si Sheila Go.
Hindi po.
Saan kayo nagkita?
Sa Malaysia po.
Sa Malaysia na. Oo.
Yes po.
Okay. Napunta kayo sa Bali, Indonesia?
Maybe hindi po ako.
Opo. Napunta ho kayo sa Bali, Indonesia ni Sheila Go? Hindi ho?
Batam,
Alice?
Indonesia.
Batak, Indonesia.
Batam, yes.
Batam, Indonesia. Napunta kayo ng Singapore.
Opo.
Sinong kasama niyo sa Singapore?
Si Wesley Go, Alice Go, and Sheila Go.
Paano niyo po nakilala ang mga Go?
Boyfriend ko po si Wesley Go.
Boyfriend niyo si Wesley Go.
Yes po.
Therefore, malapit ka kay Alice Go.
Hindi po.
Hindi ka malapit, pero kilala mo siya.
Kakilala, syempre.
Kilala mo siya.
Sister po siya ni Wesley Go.
At business partner mo sa Alice Go.
No.
Hindi. Pero pareho kayong na mayroong Pogo Hub, di ba?
Hindi po.
Wala kang Pogo Hub?
Yung business po namin is nag-rent lang para sa mga
Ano po yung business niyo?
building, real estate lang po.
Real estate lang.
Yes po.
So, hindi
I'm
Pogo.
not related to any Pogo po.
Hindi kayo. Pero magkaibigan kayo ni Alice Go.
Kakilala po.
Kilala. Hindi. Kasama mo siya, di ba?
Yes po, dahil kay Wesley Go.
Congressman Rog, please proceed with your question.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, just for refresher of the committee, documents regarding the application of POGO for Lucky South 99 outsourcing submitted October 1, 2020 were submitted to Ms. Ong for her perusal, and I believe she's had the appropriate amount of time to go through it. Ngayon po, Ms. Ong, through the Chair, most honorable, nakita po ninyo yung documents po, no? At nakita niyo po yung portion nung tungkol dun kay Mr. Xiang Che.
Yes po.
Familiar po ba si Mr. Je sa'yo?
Empleyado po siya ng company.
Empleyado po siya ng company. Wala po ba siyang position sa the company being Lucky South 99 po, no?
Dati po siyang shareholder, pero noon po.
Sorry, can we...
Dati po.
dating
Shareholder ng Lucky
shareholder.
South.
Dating shareholder.
Yes po.
Was he at any time po sa pagkakaalam po ninyo, president of Lucky South 99?
Double check ko po ulit. Pasensya na po talaga.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. And just to clarify po, no, since na kataon po kayo, you had the opportunity to go through the documents. A few pages back, yung specimen signature card. Signature nyo po yung nakalagay po dito. Mr. Chair, through the chair, I'd like to provide the specimen signature card for the perusal of Ms. Ong.
Page, can you please... Congressman Gutierrez, I think she's ready.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Hindi ko po sure, pero again, gusto ko sana ma-check yung phone ko, yung lahat ng documents na na-sign ko or ano. Kaso po may problema, yung phone ko, since nahuli po ako sa Batam, Indonesia, until ngayon, hindi pa po binabalik ang cellphone ko. So, hindi ko ma-sure yung lahat ng details.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Chair. For the record po, Mr. Chair, I'd just like to share that the document that was presented was the specimen signature card portion of the application kit of the POGO for Lucky South 99 outsourcing. And in that page, it was indicated that the representative for Lucky South 99 would be facilitated by Mr. Dennis Cunanan, and it was approved by supposedly Ms. Cassie Ong. It should also be important to note, Mr. Chair, that along with that, in the other portions of the document, Mr. Xiang Jie has been indicated as president. And Mr. Chair, I'd like to ask si Ms. Ong po, sa pagkakaalam po ninyo, ano po yung nationality ni Mr. Xiang Jie?
Singaporean.
Singaporean. But is he of Chinese descent or may Chinese po ba siya? Ang kanyang panalita po ba ay Mandarin or
Pag Singaporean po, nakakapagsalita po ng Chinese.
Singapore Chinese?
Opo.
Just to clarify po, no, kasi meron ring Singaporean na Malaysian, may Singaporean rin na Indian, pero
Okay, sorry.
so Chinese-Singaporean po siya, and he speaks Chinese. Kayo po pa, when you are talking to, you've had the opportunity to talk with Mr. Xiang Jie,
Madalang lang po.
madalang. And in those, sa mga panahon po na yun, ang pag-ugnayan po ninyo ay in Chinese or in English?
Both.
Both naman po. Thank you. Mr. Chair, in addition to that, also in the document, it indicates other names for which I would like to present po siguro sa COMSEC for later verification if they have been invited. But I will make the motion at a later time. Mr. Chair, going back po, no? In the case of Mr. Doon po sa inyong ninong, si Mr. Duan Ren Wu, sa pagkakalam po ninyo, ano po yung nationality ni Mr. Wu?
Pwede pong hindi po magano
Understand
kasi
po.
hindi po siya
Not familiar.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Pero sa inyong pag-coordinate, pag-usap kay Mr. Wu, kay ninong po nyo, ito po ay in Filipino, English, Chinese?
Chinese po.
Chinese po.
Yes po.
Nakakasalita po ba si Mr. Wu ng Filipino?
English.
English. English and
Pero
Chinese.
not fluent.
Not fluent. And is it correct to say, it was mentioned earlier, na kayo po ay translator ni Mr. Wu actually?
Naging translator
Naging
po
translator.
way back. Nagpatulong po sa way back 2019 po. After my mom passed away.
May we know po siguro, sorry to hear that. May we know po siguro kung what business he would ask for your help in translating? Ano po ba usually? Very general lang po ba siya or may business related?
Pwede hindi ko po But again, it's all privacy.
Okay. Thank you very
Thank
much,
you.
Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, I'd just like to go back now, a step back. You mentioned po no, that you've known personally si Mr. Harry Roque. And this is through a professional relationship as abogado po ng Whirlwind.
Tama po.
Apo.
Abogado po ng Whirlwind.
Aware po ba si Ms. Ong with the fact that when the PORAC raid was conducted, there were documents that were found relating to Mr. Roque? Familiar po ba siya sa facts na yun?
Nakita ko po siya sa news.
Sa
Opo.
news lang po.
Pero hindi ako familiar with all the documents na lumabas po.
In her experience po, in the filing of the documents of Lucky South 99, in her time as an employee of Lucky South 99, kayo po, did you ever come across sa pangalan ni Mr. Harry Roque sa documentation?
Pwede pakiulit po.
In your time po as employee of Lucky South 99, did you ever come across the name Harry Roque in any documentation relating to corporate papers?
No.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, this representation actually has questions for Mr. Harry Roque. We lament the fact that unfortunately he has indicated that he is busy today and that I will have to reserve my questions for that latter time. With that, Mr. Chair, I have one more question and I would like to direct it to the chairman of the PAGCOR. Most respectfully, Mr. Chair, may we ask Chairman Tenko, just for an idea po, no, kasi nabanggit ni ni Chairman Fernandez yung scope actually. It really underscores yung importance itong hearing na meron pa rin possibly may mga namamatay pa rin sa Region 3 regarding Pogo. Can the good chairman clarify, is it only in Region 3 po na meron tayong Pogo?
Sa ngayon po, Congressman Gutierrez, wala pong ibang probinsya na merong existing licensee ang PAGCOR except in Cavite. But in other regions, wala na po. Metro Manila po ang nakararami sa ngayon.
So that's Region 3, Metro Manila, and then Cavite. Tama po ba?
Opo, Region 4, yes.
In Region 4. Mr. Chair, through you, may we ask also, perhaps, may PAGCOR provide this committee a list of all the licensees for POGO, just so
Yes.
that we have an understanding also of the scope of which we're having an investigation here? Because
We will provide you the present list of the licensees that is the current list of licensees. We have 42 as of today.
thank you, Mr. Chair.
Congressman Gutierrez.
And in
42.
addition to that, as part of your monitoring, maybe also ask, although I know you've mentioned prior that it might have been beyond your mandate, but as far as the PAGCOR would be able to help us, may we ask also for a list of the unlicensed POGO operations that they have monitored, just for our perusal?
Yes. What we can give you, what we can provide Congressman Gutierrez will be the list of the former licensees when I was appointed. So that was about 298. And then when we cleaned it up and purged it, we have 42. So we're of the assumption that about 255 are basically, if they are operating, they're operating illegally. Because we never, under my administration, we never issued a new license. So yung pong out of 298, we were able to purge about 255. So 42 po ngayon ang natitira.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. So from the 42 na natitira, originally from 298, may we request, Mr. Chair, specifically for the names ng 298 na POGO operations na yan?
We will provide the list to the committee, Congressman Gutierrez.
Mr. Chair, on the top of your head, would it be possible to, would you have the records? Would it be possible to enumerate it now?
Yung 200 po?
Yes po.
I'll be very honest. I don't think I could. But again, Lucky South was one of them. Ano ba bang mga names natin? Sa bamba?
Mr. Chair, I'd like to retract that po. No? I understand 298 might be hard and it's hard to tell which one's top of your
We'll
head.
just provide you,
Yes.
by tomorrow, we can send it already.
Yes, we'll be looking for that, Mr. Chair, and we would assume po that that list would include the owners of the would include the beneficial ownership relating to the POGO documents that they may have submitted.
We will do that.
Thank you very much, Mr.
Congressman
Chair.
Gutierrez.
Thank you to Chairman Tenko.
You're
And
welcome.
as a conclusion, Mr. Chair, as I mentioned, I have further questions sana po for Mr. Jairo Roque and Ms. Myla Roque, but given the as mentioned by Congresswoman Listro, we lament the fact that they're absent now. I'll be reserving my questions for that. I would just like to highlight, however, from the last hearing, Mr. Harry Roque mentioned that at that time he was ready to submit documents relating to the deed of sale, which the committee secretary just intimated to me earlier that hindi po ito na-submit. I recall specifically Mr. Hierarchy said, I am ready to prepare, I have a presentation, nandito na po yung deed of sale, I'm ready to share it with the committee, yet it was not submitted to us, Mr. Chair. So I joined, I think there was a motion or manifestation by Congresswoman Jake Luistra to request to subpoena the document for the deed of sale, and aside from that, other documents such as the SALIN that he mentioned. With that, Mr. Chair, as mentioned, I'll be reserving my questions. I'd like to give way to other interpellators. Maraming salamat, Mr. Chair. Thank you for your indulgence, Ms. Ong.
Thank you, Congressman Rodriguez. Yes,
Mr.
Chairman
No,
Tenko.
with the request po of Congressman Gutierrez, with regard to the original licensees, on file we do not have the beneficial owners. So we will be able to give you the list, maybe in the application forms indicating the respective officers, but there is no list on the beneficial owner. However, after we had purged the original 298 and had brought it down to currently 42, we will be able to provide you the beneficial owners, because as a requirement under the new structure and the new guidelines under my administration, we required the current licensees to provide the beneficial owners of the company. I just want to clarify that so that when we submit, you will not ask why we are not submitting the names of the beneficial owners. So doon po sa nakarang administrasyon, it was never a requirement to identify the beneficial owner.
Mr. Chair, I'd like to just manifest that we acknowledge that and we thank Chairman Tenko and we appreciate the proactive stance that this administration has taken towards transparency of POGO operators. Thank you very much, Chairman Tenko. Thank you, Chairman.
You're welcome, Congressman.
Thank you, Congressman Rodriguez. The next to interpolate is Congressman Abante and then Congressman Paduano. And then we will proceed to our second round with Congressman Dan Fernandez. Congressman Abante, you're recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Ito po kay Ms. Cassie Ong. Paano po kayo nakalabas ng Pilipinas?
Sa Manila po, airport.
Sa airport. Hindi nyo kasabay si Alice, si Sheila Go.
Hindi po.
Saan kayo nagkita?
Sa Malaysia po.
Sa Malaysia na. Oo.
Yes po.
Okay. Nagpunta kayo sa Bali, Indonesia?
Maybe hindi po ako.
Opo. Nagpunta ho kayo sa Bali, Indonesia ni Sheila Go? Hindi ho?
Batam,
Alice?
Indonesia.
Batak, Indonesia.
Batam, yes.
Batam, Indonesia. Napunta kayo ng Singapore.
Opo.
Sinong kasama niyo sa Singapore?
Si Wesley Go, Alice Go, and Sheila Go.
Paano niyo po nakilala ang mga Go?
Boyfriend ko po si Wesley Go.
Boyfriend niyo si Wesley Go.
Yes po.
Therefore, malapit ka kay Alice Go.
Hindi po.
Hindi ka malapit, pero kilala mo siya.
Kakilala, syempre.
Kilala mo siya.
Sister
at,
po siya ni Wesley Go.
At business partner mo sa Alice Go.
No.
Hindi. Pero pareho kayong na mayroong Pogo Hub, di ba?
Hindi po.
Wala kang Pogo Hub.
Yung business po namin is nag-rent lang para sa mga
Ano po yung business niyo?
building, real estate lang po.
Real estate lang.
Yes po.
So hindi Pogo.
I'm not related to any Pogo po.
Hindi kayo. Pero magkaibigan kayo ni Alice Go.
Kakilala po.
Kilala. Hindi. Kasama mo siya, di ba?
Yes po, dahil kay Wesley Go.
Mo Singapore, di ba?
Sorry?
Kanino kayo nagkipagkita sa Singapore? Kay Chiang Mai? Chiang Mai, yung kanina, yung sinasabi si Chiang Mai na Singaporean, nakita ba kayo?
Nagpatulong po ako sa Batam, Indonesia kay Zhang Jie. Zhang Jie.
Yun po yata yung binabangkit kanina ni Congressman Gutierrez, di ba?
Yes
yung
po.
Yun, Nagpatulong ka at kayo ay ang nag-arrange ng hotel ninyo sa Singapore si Shanghai.
Ay, pwede ko po i-explain?
Sige po,
Okay lang po. Si Zhang Jie, humingi lang po ako ng tulong during nung pumunta si Wesley Go sa Indonesia po. Dahil po, he's not familiar with the place po. So, syempre, nag-alala din po ako. So, nagpatulong po ako sa dati kay Zhang Jie po. Kasi mas familiar siya dun sa place na yun.
Okay. Si Sheila Go ay nabanggit sa Senado na sumakay ng bangka, di ba?
Ayun yung pagkasabi na po,
Yung
pero...
pagkasabi, di ba? Oo. Hindi ka naniniwala ron?
Hindi, wala po ako. Hindi ko nanood yung news eh.
So, hindi mo pinapaniwalaan na si...
Wala po akong sinasabing hindi ko po pinapaniwalaan.
Okay. So, ano...
Pero hindi ko po alam.
hindi mo alam.
Yes po.
Okay. So,
Kasi, can I explain?
Yes. Go ahead.
During, I think, July po, July po, nag-message lang si Wesley Go na pupunta siya sa Malaysia. At that time, pinuntahan po namin siya.
So, doon na lang kayo nakita sa Batam, Indonesia?
No, Malaysia po.
Sa Malaysia kayo nagkita.
Yes po.
Then, magkasama kayo, nagpunta kayo sa Batam, Indonesia.
Nauna po si Wesley Go.
Okay. Pagkatapos niyan, nagpunta kayo ng Singapore.
Hindi po.
Ano po yun?
Malaysia.
From Philippines, Malaysia.
Not Philippine po.
Mula
meron
sa
na-
Pilipinas. Mula sa Pilipinas, di ba? Sumakay ka ng aeroplano mula sa Pilipinas, correct?
Yes po.
Napunta ka ng Malaysia.
Hindi po. Sa other place po ako pumunta. Can I not disclose the place po?
Saan kayo nagkita
Sa Malaysia po.
ni Sheila? Sa Malaysia.
Sa Malaysia po with the Go siblings.
Kasama si Wesley.
Yes po. Kasi si Wesley po ang nag-message sa akin.
Tapos nagpunta kayo sa Indonesia.
Nagpunta po kami from Malaysia. Pumunta po kami sa Singapore.
Singapore.
Yes po.
Kasama si Alice Go.
Opo.
Okay. Nung napunta kayo sa Singapore, ano ba yon? Yung ba ay pleasure o business? Hindi nyo pinag-usapan?
Travel lang po.
Hindi nyo pinag-usapan ng negosyo sa Singapore ni...
Wala po kami
Ali Go?
negosyo.
Wala.
Wala po akong negosyo or yung side ko with the Go family.
Pero kasama ka sa mga korporasyon tulad ng Wilwin, di ba?
Yes po, pero hindi po kasama si Alice Godo.
Negosyo yun, di ba?
Opo.
Yung real estate na yan, yun ang pinaglagyan ng Lucky South 99, correct?
Yes po.
So alam mo ang ibig sabihin nun, yung Lucky South 99 Pogo yun, di ba?
Si Lucky South 99, pinarenta nilang po sa sublease po.
So hindi ka kasama sa Lucky South 99 na incorporator o sanayin mo kanina, consultant ka, correct?
Yes po.
O therefore, nasa Pogo business ka rin sapat consultant ka ng Lucky South
Rental
99.
business po, not
Ano
Pogo
yun?
business po.
Alin yun?
Rental business po, not Pogo business. Real estate po.
Pero alam mo na yung rental na yan, Pogo ang nagre-rent yan.
Yes po,
O, di
legal
kasama-
Pogo.
o, di kasama ka din doon, di ba? O ito. Ano ang passport mo aside from Philippine passport?
Wala na po.
Philippine passport lang. Oo.
Tama po.
Sasasayin mo sa akin na hindi ka kasama sa Lucky South 99 pero alam mo na na-raid ang Lucky South 99, correct?
Opo, kasi sa amin po yung building and yeah. Sa Wordwin po.
Yung building.
Yung lot, as of now, nakapending pa po sa court, kung hindi po ako nagkakamali. Yung building is sa Wordwin po. Hindi po siya Lucky South.
Yung building, yung place of business ng Whirlwind sa Thai Court, Pulong, Maba, Santa Cruz, Porac, Pampanga, correct?
Tama po.
Doon din ang address ng Lucky South 99, correct?
Tama po. Kasi doon, can I explain po?
Go ahead, go ahead.
Salamat po. Dahil nga po, si Wordwin pinarentahan kay Lucky South. Then si Lucky South, pinarentahan lang sa mga Pogo
Kasama
company.
ka sa incorporator ng Whirlwind, correct?
Yes po.
Therefore, alam mo na pinarental ng Whirlwind yung property ng Whirlwind na kasama ka na incorporator sa Lucky South 99,
pero wala
correct?
po akong any relationship with the Pogo.
Okay. Kilala mo si Mr. Wu.
Ninong ko po siya.
Siyang ninong mo.
Opo.
Hindi siya Pilipino, no?
Opo.
Okay. Palagay ko, inimbitahan natin siya rito para makaharap din natin siya. Di ba? Sabi ni Miss Mascareñas, nung last na hearing natin, si Mr. Wu ang boss mo, correct? Miss Mascareñas, nabanggit mo na si Mr. Wu ang boss mo.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Wu ang boss mo?
Opo.
So, hindi si Miss Cassie Wong Ong ang boss mo?
Ay, hindi po.
Ha?
Hindi po, Mr. Chair. Hindi po.
Ang nakikipag-negotiate sa'yo, si Mr. Wu, hindi
Mr. Wu
si
po.
Miss Cassie Ong.
Hindi po.
Okay. Bakit mo nabanggit si Miss Cassie Ong?
Dahil kasama ko po siya sa office.
Kasama mo sa office ng ng Whirlwind o ng Lucky South?
Dragon Wealth System po. Doon po kami nag-office.
Saan?
Dragon Wealth System po.
Ano
Sa
yun?
may
Yung by
Prince
Whirlwind o Lucky South?
At the time po kasi mga permits pa lang po yung ina-apply ng Whirlwind at saka Lucky South. Wala pa po siyang office talaga.
Ang alin?
Yung Whirlwind and Lucky South po, at the time wala pa pong office. Mga
So,
permits
yung
pa lang
office
po.
na yan, office ng Whirlwind at Lucky South.
Parang hindi naman po. Sa Dragon Wealth po talaga siya.
Alin yun?
Dragon Wealth system po.
Dragon Wealth.
Opo.
Yung Dragon Wealth, ano yun? Yung by Lucky South o Whirlwind?
Separate ano po siya, Pogo.
Pogo yung
Opo.
Dragon Wealth.
Yes po.
At
Actually,
doon, kasama mo sa opisina, si Miss Cassie Ong.
Opo.
Doon sa Dragon Wealth.
Opo, dahil hired po siya
At ang Dragon Wealth, Pogo.
Yes po. Nalaman ko po yun nung nag-check ako ng list ng Pogo sa site po ng platform.
Alright.
At that
Maganda.
time.
Maganda po. Maraming salamat. Kanina, nabanggit ni Congressman Rodriguez, Gutierrez ba? Gutierrez. Miss Paterna, na wala kang kaalam-alam sa Fujian Sheng Amoy Real Estate Corporation. Wala kang alam.
Wala po.
Pero ikaw ang chairman and president. Hindi mo alam.
Hindi po.
Ito,
Ngayon
Meron
ko lang
akong
po siya nakita,
na
Mr.
general
Chair.
information sheet nakalagay dito. Ronilyn Baterna, Chairman and President. Catherine Cassandra Ong, Director, Treasurer, Secretary. Duan Ren Wu, yung boyfriend mo. So kaninong boyfriend to si Duan Ren Wu? Kaninong boyfriend? Hindi. Ninong mo pala. Ninong mo, Miss Cassie Ong. Si Wu.
Yes po.
Siya ay director din, no? Si Shusho, sino yung Susho Shang na director? Sino yun? Si Susho Zhang. Miss Ong. Sino? Hindi mo kilala?
I'm not sure po.
You're not sure. Ikaw, Miss Paterna, kilala mo hindi?
Hindi po. Mr.
Kayo
Chair.
po ang apat na director and officers of Fujian Sheng Amoy Real Estate Corporation. Yun lang, Mr. Chair, ito, nakita natin na makasama sila sa Pogo. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Congressman Abante. The next to interpolate is Congressman Paduano.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Supposedly, I will just ask to Mr. Lacerna. But anyway, Ms. Ong, when you were asked by Congressman Abante, you denied to answer dun po sa first na place o country from the Philippines. From the Philippines ba, saan yung entry?
From the Philippines po.
Yeah, no.
Going to Singapore.
Going to Singapore.
Yes po.
Then, after Singapore,
Pwedeng hindi ko po siya i-disclose for my... Yeah.
bakit? Bakit hindi mo pwede-disclose?
Personal.
Bakit hindi? Tinatanong kita, bakit mo hindi pag-disclose?
Personal.
Personal.
Yes po.
BID, nandito ba BID? BID at saka DFA. So you're not using other passports?
Wala po akong wala akong other passport maliban sa Philippine passport po. You can check it po.
BID. Totoo ba na yung from the Philippines, ang entry is Singapore? Have you checked that? BID?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Based on our records, from the Philippines, sumakay siya papuntang Singapore.
Then, after Singapore,
After that po, wala na kaming record kasi ang sunod na record na namin is from Indonesia. She returned here from Indonesia on...
he was deported. she was deported from Indonesia to the Philippines.
Yes po, the Indonesian government deported her.
Okay.
Mr. Chair.
Yung DFA ba nandito, Mr. Chairman? Kindly take a seat.
Von Ryan, or passport. Passport division on chair.
Mr. Chairman, so you have already tracked the passport records of Ms. Cassandra Ong.
All Philippine passports po.
He's telling this committee that she only owns Philippine passport.
Yes po.
Also from
And we
the,
only have records po kasi we are the Philippine Passport Division of the Philippines. The only records po na meron tayo would definitely be Philippine passports po.
kaya nga sabi nga ni Ms. Cassandra Ong is using Philippine passport. Now, from the Philippines, sabi niya, he travels to Singapore. Do you confirm that?
We don't keep track po of yung travels po. We issue the passports. It is the immigration officials. For example, sa Pilipinas, BID po ng Pilipinas ang pwedeng karga po ng immigration yun.
Correct.
And it goes to other countries, it's the immigration officers po doon.
Sandali. In the case of Pangilinan spouses, di ba, yung first entry is US.
Yes.
Tapos kayo rin ang nag-report na pumasok ng Canada.
Ang ginawa po namin is we had contacts. Yung mga posts natin, we asked them to ask their contacts.
O di, you check your post.
We will
Di ba in the case of Ms. Cassandra Ong, nandito na ngayon, hanggang ngayon, hindi pa natin alam.
We will double check po with
Because
our
hindi naman na yan hook, line, and sinker na maniwala kami sa sinasabi ni Cassandra Ong. And sabi niya pa nga, she cannot disclose.
We could ask po through our embassies, we could ask the host governments kung which ports of entry po.
Yeah, kasi Southeast Asia lang yan. Di ba?
Yes, sir. We will ask po our embassies to check on it.
Oh, well, can you report that to this
Yeah.
committee?
We will.
Kasi itong si Cassandra Ong, supposedly, I will withdraw my motion. Pero telling this committee that she cannot disclose from Singapore, the place.
We could check po.
Oh, you check. Ito, kanina sinabi niya, Singapore, then nag-Malaysia.
We will just ask the one para how should I say it? In order for us to connect the dots,
Kasi ganito lang po, ilan na naman yung mga Southeast Asian nation, di ba?
we have 10 po.
You have 10.
Yes.
So, when will that be?
We could have it by next week, sir.
Next week?
Yes.
You cannot do it within the week?
Pwede, sir. Depende po sa we will check, sir. We will send the communication po sa mga posts natin.
Hindi nga, I need a commitment because we have another hearing. Maybe, I do not know, maybe Friday or Tuesday or Monday or Wednesday next week.
At least by Monday, meron tayong sigurado, sir.
By Monday?
Yes, sir.
Mag-overtime kayo kasi tayo nga dito nag-overtime ngayon. We started this hearing 10 o'clock. Ngayon, it's 10 o'clock na. Magti-10 na.
We will, sir.
We're running for 12 hours here.
I understand, sir.
Okay, so do you commit by Monday?
By Monday, we will
Okay.
have information.
BID. Again, I raised this question during the hearing last Tuesday, no? In my committee. Kahapon po. Now, with regards to the case of Cassandra Ong, yung Sheila Go, nandun pa sa Senado, maybe in the next hearing, papatawag din natin. We will ask for the invitation from the Senate. O ngayon, malinaw na ba? Na-check nyo na? The basis why Cassandra Ong and party was deported in the Philippines.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Upon checking, Mr. Chair, the Indonesian government deported Ms. Cassandra Ong on the basis that they deemed her as a danger to their security and public order. So based on that, they deported her.
Why? What is the basis of the Indonesian government for tagging Cassandra Ong as a threat to their national security? Yes, DFA, before BID answer. Yes.
Actually, we have our embassy in Jakarta was able to get the documents from the Indonesian the immigration office. Actually, we will be sending a letter, hopefully by tomorrow, attaching the Indonesian documents explaining why Cassandra Ong and Sheila Guo were deported here. And they did note that the reason why Miss Cassandra Ong was deported was because she was, in Indonesian law, she has the possibility to not follow Indonesian immigration laws. The possibility.
So, ganun na possibility, they deprive Cassandra Ong to stay in Indonesia?
I have copies of, I can give you advance copies of it without our cover letter.
Ganito lang po, para official, kaysa maghahakatay dito, you submit to this committee, the official
We will.
document coming from Indonesia. BID, pakicheck nyo rin.
Yes po.
Para at least yung Mr. Chairman, did you allow the council? Okay na? O, sige. Sagutin na ba ni Cassandra Ong? Miss? O, 2 minutes daw. Basta BID. BID ha. Paki-ano nyo, mas may commitment pa dito. Yung DFA, at least documented. Do you have the document?
Yes,
From
yes,
the
Mr.
Indonesian
Chair.
BID?
We secured a copy of the decision of the Indonesian immigration, Your Honor, and we can send a copy in the next hearing, Your Honor. We can send
Before the next hearing, that will
Yes,
be,
before,
you should
before.
submit the document Monday.
it. Yes,
To the
Mr. Chair.
consent.
We will submit it to the committees,
Thank
Mr.
you.
Chair.
Now, can I ask now, are you, Mr. Chairman? Chairman? Now, again, will you answer my query? Please.
Ano po yung question?
Ano ba yung entry mo is, first entry mo is Singapore, then where?
The Miss Cassandra Ong would like to whisper to you. 1 minute suspension.